I'm about to show you the best night routine that you can do tonight to have your waves on swim for in the morning. So stay tuned. What's good, notification gang? It's your boy
SwaggDrizzle, baby.
And in this video right here, man, I gotta change this shirt, man. Hold on, man. Give me 1 minute. Yeah, man, I had to change this shirt, man. That's more like it right there, man. But yeah, man, like I was saying, man, I'm about to be showing you this night method that I got, that I do just about every night. But every night, except for the product thing, I don't apply product every night. You feel me? And if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to get waves, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video. What you're gonna need for this night method: a comb, a mirror, some grease, 2 do-rags, hot towel. You feel me? It ain't really hot right now. You feel me? It ain't hot yet. It's cold right now, but it gonna get hot. You feel me?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And of course, man, last but not least, man, you gonna need a brush, man. Prefer a medium brush, man. Yeah, you can pick this brush up right here, brushking.org, man. So let's get into it. Okay, since it's nighttime, man, and we ain't going nowhere, so the first thing we want to do, we want to go and lift your hairs up, man. I usually comb at night. I comb the most at night, so we're going to grab your comb, and we're going to lift these hairs up and stretch these curls out, man. Stretch your waves out. That's how you get wider waves, too. So, let's get it. Okay, after that nice comb section, man, what you want to do, now what you want to do, you want to grab your grease, whatever grease you got. There's some super gross products, smell amazing, but I'm going to throw some of this in my hair right here. So, let's get it. After you apply the product, you already know what's about to go down next, man. You're gonna grab your brush and we're gonna get it in, man. Y'all already know, after that brush session, man, I forgot to mention this. You really gonna need a plastic bag too, man. Y'all know, if y'all been watching my old videos, y'all know I love this plastic bag, man. So we're gonna get it in with this plastic bag too. Let's get it. Now, what though? Y'all ain't tell me that toupee got a nigga more ashy than a mud, man. Alright, y'all ain't gonna tell me my mama was ashy? Huh? Y'all ain't gonna tell me my mama was ashy? Alright, I got y'all.
He gonna cry in the car.
Nah, man, but yo, man, what we gonna do after that plastic bag, man? What we gonna do? We gonna rag up. Y'all already know. Boom. Rag you do, rag. After we rag up, y'all already know. If y'all seen my how to lay your waist down like 360 G's, man, y'all already know what method I'm about to use right now. About to grab that hot towel. Now after you do that, you're gonna throw your other do-rag on, or wag up, whatever you got. Gonna throw that on top of that. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look in the morning, so stay tuned.
The next day.
Silver Krueger on the track.
Now all you really gotta do now, put some oil on your hair and have it shining for the rest of the day. Or you can add a moisturizer or pink lotion or something like that. I'm not gonna add nothing, I'm just gonna hit where my do-rag was, so I won't have no them do-rag lines I don't like. You feel me? So I'm gonna hit the back of my neck, boom, boom, boom. Both sides. Just to get rid of that do-rag line. Just in case you're wondering what happened to that other do-rag that I had, let me tell you real quick.
So I went to sleep. Went to sleep. And around 3 o'clock in the morning, I noticed I ain't had no, my second do-rag had came off. So I ain't feel like looking for it. So I came to the bathroom, used the bathroom. Used the bathroom. Then I noticed my suit-rag was over there. Suit-rag. So I put that on, went back to the room, came back because I forgot to turn off the light. So I turned off the light, went back to the room, went to sleep.
Now I'm making this video for y'all.
Yeah, man, it's your boy SwaggDrizzle, man. And if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to get waves, be sure to hit the subscribe button right now and hit the bell so you don't miss another video. It's your boy SwaggDrizzle, man, and I'm out of here.